Welcome to Roblox, the best place to teach your children and enjoy. There are many games for kids to play, like Blocks Fruits, Jailbreak, and there are currency called Robux. To get it, you need to purchase real money. We also release Robux gift cards in store, like Walmart, 7-Eleven, Amazon, and more. Nextly, we introduce you, Roblox Studio, a place where you can make your own game. If you want to make your own game, you need to have skill of coding and modeling. Talking about coding, we use Lua to relatively simple to integrate with other programming languages. We also made an age rate, starting with all ages, all the way to 17. Games that use everyone rating are Adopt Me, Brookhaven, and Murder. There are also creating games, like Figgy, where you can make your own maps, and a Bee Creator, where you can make your own obstacle courses. There is also a marketplace. This is the place where you spend your Robux. The items are made by other users. We call it UGC, User Generated.
What were you thinking, allowing a profile to be built on top of the code that hides the ban lands?
Relax. The sooner we can find a way to falsely ban this player, the skin and profile can be taken down.
How will you know it won't be too late? Facility 4 was already taken down after a player escaped from a game in this profile.
As long as Smile knows not of the whereabouts and the reason why many facilities are built in this profile, we are safe and the ban lands is secure.
And the recent myth glitches? Too many players come across myths trying to glitch their way into the Crossroads servers next door.
We'll keep resetting the servers until one who finds is falsely banned and the location of the ban lands is secure.
I never expected to see a player yet. How did you get here? How did you get to the entrance to Roblox's Badlands? To have entered here, a player must have built a game directly above this wretched place. You have glitched your way inside. My name is Lezus, and I've been rotting here for years, along with others, locked up, failing our great creator, who we promised to help keep the metaverse happy. Us, the loyal servants, remain here, stuck with our data and our dreams, while other unloyals like the Smiles family live in fame and glory. I can feel the code you came from, and I'm going to
Lezus, I hear you.
Okay guys, we might have possibly the worst Roblox news in a very long time.
Old Roblox, was it better? Or was I just way happier when I was a kid and now all the realities of life are just striking me all at once?
I'm sure we all know by now that Roblox has had a history of releasing really terrible and stupid updates onto the platform.
That leak, a huge data leak has occurred with sensitive information of many Robloxians. You may have been affected.
Roblox has officially taken the biggest L of the century. Roblox is changing. People are always trying to scam you out of your time, emotions, or your money. So have fun dealing with that forever.
I just want to say this is like one of the worst updates I've ever seen, and it could potentially break a ton of Roblox games.
Some unauthorized access happened to some user information from 2017 to 2020, meaning somebody somehow, somewhere got access to like thousands of people's account information.
So I don't think I've ever been more upset at Roblox than I am right now. And I know every time Roblox announces a new update, everyone always says it's the worst update ever.
You don't miss the old Roblox, you miss being happy.
I will make you happy again. Now, I know where the Badlands are, and I'll free them all. Everyone. Remember me. Save yourself, Kurt. You freed me. I freed Noe. Noe freed them. This is your fault. And now you will pay. I don't need you anymore. Noe. Kill him now. Stop delaying your fate.
Stop. Listen. I know I was doing this smile and location of the banners, but this is not what I expected. This isn't what I signed up for. That portal you ran through to get here, I opened it. You need to listen real close. In the Roblox homepage, there are 3 headquarters. One of them has a server room which will give you the chance to delete the only thing which keeps those classic myths stable. You must delete a comparison to scripts. It's the only classic thing Roblox has left. And without them, the RIS have a chance to get rid of Smile and his creations once and for all. I'm sorry, though. Maybe one day we can...
You lying traitor. I knew it was you. you expect us to change you? Like cat and mouse? You're just a player among gods like us in this metaverse. No matter which experience you run in, we will always be there to find you. We will always be there to chase you. There is no point in running, player. Stop now. Noli is my greatest creation. Noli will not fail me this time. We will capture you and make sure you never share our existence again.
You tried to silence us. Now it's time I silence you.
I have had enough. Myths are Roblox. How many this player now? Break the game if you have to. Bring him to me. Enough with the spikes. Player, I will show you true power. Prepare. Fall. What?
Facility override. Disconnection reverted.
He made it to HQ. Stop him.
Player, they said you were on your way, so I prepared the console. The button is ready to erase the classic script. Go on. No!
Misery, misery, misery. Clicking that button would not be wise, would it, player? You can erase the bacon headers. And us, we will still be here. Clicking that button will remove the only thing you have left of Roblox. I know you want it back, player. The nostalgia. Why not join us? I have been everything that appeared inside this world. So make your choice.
That's it, huh? I know we have to do to continue this future. Who wants me? You all were. But don't think if it lasts forever, player. Those wonderful games you played together, the way you added characters to me, as long as you know what you used to be, I am never truly gone. About me, you stand a chance to face classic myths. You truly are the hero that made me special. Funny enough, it's not my duty. Continue the legacy on your own. Take down that monster. All of them. I'm not alone, and neither are you. Goodbye, Roblox. Thank you for the ride.
Player, they said you were on your way, so I prepared the console. The button is ready to erase the classic scripts. Go on. No! Misery, misery, misery. Clicking that button would not be wise, would it, player? You can erase the bacon hairs. And us, we will still be here. Clicking that button will remove the only thing you have left of Roblox. I know you want it back, player. The nostalgia. Why not join us? I have been everything I've ever feared inside this world. So make your choice.